Hey, it's Rock here. I had good feedback on my slap hinge release video. I wanted to show what I'm doing with the driver. So, I'm releasing the club, like this. So, what it feels like right now is I feel like I'm coming in here and like I'm pushing this pinky kind of down this way and out. And it feels like my left hand's coming in kind of lower, and then my right hand kind of goes around it, so it feels like that. I just hit a 9-iron, like 153 carry, and just felt normal and kind of surprised me, so I want to see what this does on the driver. Okay, lost it a little bit to the right, so I just didn't get through. Try it again. Okay, so really blistered that one. That felt real good. Felt like my left, what it feels like is my left pinky here, these two tips, just barely grabbing it just to keep my arms loose. I just feel like I come in and with these two pinkies and I drive this right hand over top of that, and the ball just explodes. Try it again. Okay, felt good, not quite as good as that second one, but still a good shot in the fairway. All right, keep going. That's gone. I mean, just destroyed. I'm not even going to hit any more after that. That's about it. So let's see what that looks like. So it just felt like take these two pinkies, very light, just tips, just barely grabbing, so I keep my arms kind of relaxed. And I push down. So this hand controls it like that. I get up here. Fly that right elbow as high as I can. I'm grabbing with just these two fingertips, just very light. So get like this, and then I come down, and I feel like I'm pushing this left hand, these two tips, kind of down and away. I feel like this kind of comes over the top like this, and then and just it feels like effortless. Like I just feel so relaxed, my whole body's relaxed. So let's see what it looks like, guys. Thanks, see you. Okay, so here's the drive. I got one for the time. I hit a couple wedges. I hit it real easy. try it again. Got a pin eye, so now I'm going to try to go to the back left of the green, try to hit a full wedge. Like I gotta hit it 150 this time. Okay, no good. Hit it thin. Felt my whole arms tighten up and everything, so try it again. Further that time, so I'm just not quite getting low enough on it. So that one flew, it's 15 yards further than the other two. So that one I felt pretty relaxed. I felt like what I did was push down here, these two fingers, get the club, going this way, control with the left hand. And then I drive in here, feel like I'm pushing it kind of down and out this way. And these two fingers are just driving over top of that and just hammer it. So let's see what that looks like. Thanks, guys.